Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're here with bridge construction and we're on playground mode, so we don't have a budget today. And yeah, let's get into the game. Alright, so we're here and it's telling us how to build a bridge, which is pretty obvious. Alright, let's put a car in it. Only $500. That's a cheap bridge. I don't think it would cost that much. Retry. I saw there's a truck. Ooh. Let's try the truck. Still 0 damage. But we passed that test. Oh, that was easy. Safe for cars, wild. Are there bridges across stable? They'll dip. I want to try building old-fashioned bridges today. Just made out of full wood, like the Stone Age or something. Wait, $3,000? I need to fix that. Yep, we're fixing that. You ain't no stopping me. Yes. No. Darn it. Ain't no stopping me now. Darn it! What is wrong with this game? Hey, you said I haven't... I take that back. Yeah, we're not doing that. I don't care anymore. How do I... Alright, we're going to this level. Yeah, actually, there's no rules. I didn't say we couldn't skip. Do I have a... Oh! Oh! This is cool. Yeah, I played some of this off... I'm bad at this, as you can see. Yeah, maybe I should have done this. Yeah, that's better. Maybe not. I'm gonna go back a little smaller. There. Not there. Well, I'm bad at this, as you can see. Boop. This is exactly what I'm doing right here. I never said I couldn't do this. Yeah, just in case. Yeah. Is this bridge good? Okay, no, maybe so. Oh, wait, I know what I need to do. That is what I need to do. I think I'm doing it. I think this is good. Only 53. I don't know how much it is. $53,800. Not too shabby. Ah! Why's my phone trying to tear off? Turn off. Phones nowadays. Ooh, this one looks pretty reasonable. Never mind. It's not even. Screw you, gun! You made me mad. I always put the pillars first. Yeah, buddy. That's how it's done. Exactly how it's done. Is that better? Wow. This game just likes to bully me. It's like me limit is. Wait, why did I start it? 'Cause I need to put some rope on it. And when I say rope, I mean a lot of rope. Steel rope to be exact. You could always be safer with even more rope than you're needed to have. Just trying to be safe. But now the other side. This is one safe bridge. I think. Just don't question my building. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ah. Is dead enough rope? I think that's enough for that side. Bloop. 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 What am I doing? I should be building. Just for extra support. Don't judge me. Is that good? Wow! Darn, I wish you could speed up the time on this game. If you guys know how to do that, comment down below. Please. $113,000. Not too shabby. Yes, you made it. If you didn't, I wouldn't have been happy with you, cars. What was my limit anyway? Oops! Oh well. Boop. Yeah, you'll make it, won't you? If you don't, you'll crush my dreams. Really? Will we? Less than 15%. Not too bad. I'm proud of myself. What? What? Oh, this one looks awesome. Oh, that's a lot of support. But yet not enough. Alright, I'll stop. Can't ever have enough support. Look, that'll have to do. If you're even and the other side isn't. fixed it. Wow. Oh, wait, it's not even. Good. Good. Yeah, I tried doing a little bit on my own, and let's see how this ends up. Yeah. Hey, did I actually make it through? Ow! Whoa, that was close. I almost died. Well, it was safe for cars, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. Have a nice day, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And once again, have a nice day. Goodbye!